Welcome to Castielle's Adventure! Hello everybody, today I'll open Mr. Potato Head. Look!
Yes, that's nice, Mr. Potato Head. How many do you have there?
3.
3. Which one do you want to open first? The small
one
ones?
is eggs.
Okay, let's see.
Look, Mommy!
Yeah, let's see, Chel. Wow, you were able to open it. Let's see. Wow. Can you assemble it?
I'll try.
Okay.
These ones go here.
Okay, and the next is what?
This one
Yeah,
go up here.
in the head. In the
Yeah,
eyes.
and this eyes.
Okay, there. And the
This
2
head.
hands.
Wait.
Wow! There you go, Mr. Potato! Our first Mr. Potato. You like it?
Yes!
Okay, the next one. The next one, go ahead. Let's open it.
Let's see the next one.
Okay, let us see. Wow! Do we have the same? What do you think?
No, we don't have the same.
Wow! It's different!
Yes,
Nice one!
different. And the face is different.
Yeah, I know. Let's go assemble.
Yes, let's go assemble. Let's begin. This is the feet.
Wow! That looks amazing!
Yes.
You like the toy?
Yes.
You now have 2 Mr. Potato Mini, right?
Yes.
Yeah, because we still have this one, the
Yeah.
biggest one,
The
right?
biggest?
Not the biggest one, but the big one.
Okay.
These one are the minis, right? You ready to
Yes.
open?
Let's see the last one, Mommy.
Okay, let's go ahead and let's see. What do we have there? Wow!
Go open.
Wow! Let's see what's the design.
Oh, this is the big hand.
Yeah.
Look, Mommy, there's a number.
Where?
Here.
Let's see.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Okay, this is number 3 there. So it has a numbering. It has parts.
Yeah.
So we need to follow the numbers. Okay, and that is the first one, right?
Yeah,
okay,
1.
let's see. 1.
Maybe small. This is number 2.
Okay. Press it hard. There you go.
Number 3. Number 4. Number 5.
And that is the last, right?
Yes.
Wow, look at that. See, and the next one is what?
These hands.
The hands. Wow. And the other hands. There. And let's see later who is Mr. Potato.
Okay. Here's the eyes.
Eyes. And the last is the
Hat.
hat. There you go. Nice one.
Whoa!
Awesome!
Mommy's a captain of a ship.
Yeah, I know. I can see that. Nice one. Very nice potato head, right?
Yes.
Did you enjoy unboxing those, Mr. Potato Head?
Yes.
Okay.
Look at my potato head, guys.
Yeah, you have how many?
3.
Okay, can you count?
1, 2, 3.
Good job.
Thank you for watching my video and remember to be safe always.
Thank you so much for watching. See you again soon. Bye!
Bye!